Good morning to one and all connected over here. Today, on this auspicious occasion, myself, Cadet Par, and Cadet Shaurya wish you all happy 74th Independence Day.
It is indeed a pleasure for we, the citizens of India, to celebrate Independence Day of India every year. We do celebrate this day through flag hosting ceremony as well as by participating in social and charitable programs arranged in society. Now, the chief guest of the day, Group Captain Ravinder Singh, Principal Sani Sulbalachari, is proceeding towards Sauristham to pay homage to the great martyrs of our nation. He is being escorted by Squadron Leader Mahesh Kumar, Adam Officer Subedar Ratan Singh, ANOs Mr. Sunil Kumar and Mr. Bhavesh.
Now it is time to capture this moment by having a group photograph. As it is rightly said, things end but memories last forever.
कैडेट्स क्लास कंट्रोलर अकाउंट को पिन करके रखना।
The chief guest has arrived on the school building for unfurling of the national flag.
Now, the chief guest is proceeding to unfurl the national flag. I request everybody to please stand up for national anthem and for glory of martyrs and citizens of India.
Now it is time to catch. Now, now it's time to move to auditorium for further and stage activities. So before that, I would like to hand over the mic to Mr. Balraj, sir. I would like to announce that there is a short break of 5 minutes. I would request everyone to please stay connected and wait for the further proceedings.
Hello.
Cadets, pin class controller account again.
and then transform your dreams and thoughts into actions. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. With these words, I wish you all a very pleasant good morning and convey my happy wishes on this 74th Indian Independence Day to each one present and connected over here. In this fine morning, decorated and donned officers, Group Captain Ravinder Singh, Principal Sainik School Balachodi, the chief guest of today's 74th Independence Day celebration, Lieutenant Commander Manu Arora, Vice Principal, Squadron Leader Mahesh Kumar, Adam Officer, Senior Master Mr. R.K. Swagia, dynamic and ignited team of teachers, Adam staff, and above all the shining morning faces, the students, the cadets. I wish you all a very happy, healthy, promising, and fulfilling 74th Independence Day once again. Myself, Balraj, teacher English, your MC of the day, welcome you all to this with your august and benign presence in today's Independence Day celebration. 15th August, the very, very important and milestone in the history of India. This day doesn't need any new introduction. This day will always find a room in the heart of each and every citizen of India. This is the day when we got freedom from the tyranny of the British rule. This is the day when the Indian tricolor was first time hoisted on the Red Fort by the first and late Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This is the day that reminds us the supreme sacrifice of our freedom fighters to bring up this historic moment today. 15th August, the day that reminds us and wants us to stand by constitutional, social, and moral duties towards the nation on all the walks of life. And once again, we fulfill our duties individually. It will enhance the spirit of confidence and self-reliance. And it will definitely pave the path to Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. Swadeshi has always been a precursor of Atmanirbhar Bharat since its very beginning in 1905. The worthy spectators present and connected over here, the cadets and their families to witness this 74th Indian Independence Day. I would like to share you all that we, the Balachadians here, have been contributing to promote and stand by the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign launched by the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. We are also committed to promote local to vocal. The performance by our proud cadets in this regard speaks the volumes in all the walks of life, such as academics, co-curricular, UPSC selections, cultural, moral, social, and everywhere. Once again, I welcome you to the 74th Independence Day. Now, not taking much of your time and coming to the itinerary of today's stage activities. The itinerary includes, next slide please, English speech, Hindi speech, next one, result of inter-house Hindi patriotic poetry recitation competition, Hindi patriotic poetry recitation by the winners, patriotic song by the academic staff, felicitation to general employees, commendations by GOC 11th Infantry to Adam and academic staff, address by the chief guest, and finally vote of thanks by school cadet captain Amit Roshan. So now, moving ahead towards the program, I hand over mic to Cadet Parth and Cadet Shaurya Ray for further proceedings. Kindly stay connected with them. And all the cadets, please pin the screen of the speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our hearts, and memories in our souls. Happy 74th Independence Day to all. Independence Day is annually celebrated on 15th August as a national holiday in India, commemorating the nation's independence from United Kingdom on 15th August 1947, the day when provisions of Indian Independence Act 1947 was passed by the United Kingdom Parliament, which transferred legislative sovereignty to Indian Constituent Assembly.
It is on this day that Prime Minister of India hoists the Indian flag on ramparts of historical site of Red Fort in New Delhi.
So, to tell us more about Independence Day, I would like to invite Cadet Awad, roll number 5780, to come forward for a speech in English. Cadet Awad.
Good morning to one and all present over here. Respected Chief Guest of the Day, Group Captain Ravinder Singh, Principal Saini School Balachari, Lieutenant Commander Manu Arora, Vice Principal, Squadron Leader Mahesh Kumar, Adam Officer, our beloved teachers, cadets, and all those who are part of this 24th Independence Day celebration. Today, myself, Cadet Oz Vosaya, is going to present myself on 74th Independence Day celebration. On this very day in past, 15th August 1947, the whole nation was filled with joy and happiness after so many years, because the Britishers left our nation forever on the very same day. It was the independence earned by the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. After the independence, it was the responsibility of all the citizens of India to bring back the glory, the old glory of India. And the first and the foremost aim was to unite all the provinces of India to one single nation, which was carried out by our Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. From then on, India has constantly made developments in all the aspects, including economy to agriculture, armed forces to IT sector. Still in the blood of Indians, hence the respect for the freedom fighters who laid down their life for us to see this day. On this auspicious day, we remember revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, who hanged on rafters with happiness, bearing the thought in mind of their beloved freedom fighter. Further on, we the people of India continue this saga by fulfilling the dream of making India a golden bird again in the world. The land of India is known from ages for its diverse culture, epic literature, and discoveries in the field of mathematics and science. We are also accounted for unity and integrity. Mother of this land has given birth to famous philosophers like Swami Vivekananda, who took Indian culture traditions in the whole world to a new height, and our nation's father, Mahatma Gandhi, who showed India the way to freedom and also to the world the power of peace and truthfulness. With this same vision, we have completed today 73 years of our glorious independence. This independence fills our hearts with new joy and vigor to be fortunate to die for this motherland. India has flourished in every aspect in these 73 years. Our major economic source, agriculture, was revolutionized in 1960s, which changed the farming practice in India and helped to boost our economy to new heights. We also had a huge workforce of men and women in all the sectors, including modern IT sector, which is sure to flourish under recently launched Atmanirbhar Bharat Yojana by our Honorable Prime Minister. With world's largest democracy, India was also declared a nuclear power in 1998. And from then on, India has constantly made developments in its military power also. India has second largest army in the world, fourth largest air force, seventh largest navy, and with it, it has fought many missions and battles at the front line. And in that, our soldiers and officers have made supreme sacrifice to protect our motherland. Through this, after that, I would also like to tell you that India has also added some dangerous weapons in its list recently in 1 to 2 years. It has bought 22 Apache, 15 Chinook military helicopters, plus the most awaited batch of 5 Rafale jets has also been delivered recently. I would also like to say you that India is not only making developments at larger level, but organizations like NCC are also helping India to make developments at a basic level. NCC helps to turn a child into a perfect disciplined cadet with the help of its program and curriculum. In India, NCC also helps to promote nationality in all the cadets who are part of it. And I would also like to remember one of the incidents witnessed in our own school. One day, two of our cadets were cleaning roadside paths after breakfast from mess to school. One of our teachers, in wonder, asked them that why they are doing so. Then the two smart cadets replied that they are doing these things on their own. And it was a wonderful initiative, example of initiative and leadership qualities. And this was also appreciated by our principal sir in assembly. So this tells us how our cadets are groomed for leading in future in India. At last, to conclude, I would like to say some words spoken by Mike Penn about India. He spoke that India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition. Our most valuable and most instructive materials in the history of man are treasured up in India only. Before leaving, I again wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Rightly said by Cadet Awadh that we, the citizens of India, should continue the saga by carrying on the dream of making India a golden sparrow again in the world with its unique culture. We all must rededicate ourselves to development of our nation.
Hindi is also the mother tongue of almost every Indian. So without a speech in Hindi, a program is always incomplete. So to continue further, I would like to invite Cadet Abhishek, roll number 5807 of class 11th, जो अब हमें हिंदी में स्वतंत्रता दिवस के ऊपर अपना विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं. Cadet Abhishek.
Now the permission to start, sir.
Please.
Now the permission to start, sir.
Please start.
जमाने भर मिलते हैं आशिक कई, पर वतन से खूबसूरत कोई सनम नहीं होता. जमाने भर मिलते हैं आशिक कई, पर वतन से खूबसूरत कोई सनम नहीं होता. नोटों से लिपटकर सोने में सिमटकर मर गए कई, पर तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कोई कफन नहीं होता. तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कोई कफन नहीं होता. सुप्रभात. आदरणीय प्राचार्य ग्रुप कैप्टन रविंदर सिंह, साइंस स्कूल बालाचड़ी, उप प्राचार्य लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर मनु अरोड़ा, प्रशासनिक अधिकारी महेश कुमार, वरिष्ठ अध्यापक, शिक्षकगण, अतिथिगण एवं मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, आज मैं कैडेट अभिषेक कुमार स्वतंत्रता दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर अपने विचार प्रकट करने हेतु प्रस्तुत हुआ हूँ. 15 अगस्त 1947 का दिन भारतीय इतिहास का स्वर्णिम पृष्ठ है, जहाँ से उन्मुक्त भारत का अभिनव अध्याय खुलता है. इसी 15 अगस्त को विदेशी शासन के काले बादल छटे थे. उस दिन की उषा बदली नहीं थी. उस दिन की सुहावनी किरणों पर दास्ता की कोई परछाई नहीं थी. उस दिन का पक्ष सिंदूरी सवेरा, बच्चों की चहचहाट और देशवासियों की खिलखिलाहट से अनुगुंजित हो रहा था. जनजीवन ने मुद्दत के बाद एक नई अंगड़ाई ली थी. वीर भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, खुदीराम बोस जैसे वीर पुत्रों की शहादत पर, गोखले, तिलक और गांधी की तपस्या पर, जालियांवाला बाग की रक्त सिंचित भूमि की बयार पर स्वतंत्रता का सूरज दमका था. 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन. देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश का मान है. हम उस देश के फूल हैं यारो, जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है, जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है. 15 अगस्त 1947 को सारे भारतवर्ष में यह स्वतंत्रता दिवस किस धूमधाम से मनाया गया, इसे तो बस वही जानते हैं जिन्होंने अपनी आंखों से देखा होगा. लगता था धरती के भाग्य फिर से जाग उठे हैं. क्या गांव, क्या शहर, क्या खेत, क्या नगर, चारों तरफ आनंद का पारावार लहरा उठा था. जिस तरह बहुत दिनों से भूखे व्यक्ति को भोजन बहुत अच्छा लगता है, जिस तरह अंधेरे में कैद रह रहे व्यक्ति को बाहर की हवा मन भावनी लगती है, वही हालत उस दिन भारत के बच्चे बच्चे की थी. आओ झुककर करे सलाम उन्हें जिनके जिंदगी में यह मुकाम आया है. आज झुककर करें सलाम उन्हें जिनके जिंदगी में यह मुकाम आया है। किस कदर खुशनसीब है वो लोग जिनका लहू भारत के काम आया है, जिनका लहू भारत के काम आया है। हालांकि अंग्रेजों से आजादी पाना भारत के लिए आसान नहीं था, लेकिन कई महान लोगों ने और स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने इसे सच कर दिखाया। अपने सुख, आराम और चैन को त्याग कर उन्होंने अपनी भावी पीढ़ी को एक स्वतंत्र भारत देने का वचन दिया। किसी भी देश के नागरिकों के कुछ मौलिक अधिकार होते हैं, वो अपने मौलिक अधिकारों का तो बहुत अच्छे से इस्तेमाल करता है, परंतु उसके साथ साथ उसे यह भी समझना होगा कि उसे अपने देश के प्रति भी कुछ जिम्मेदारियां और कर्तव्य है। ऐसे ही कुछ जिम्मेदारियों और कर्तव्यों के बारे में मैं बताने जा रहा हूं। हमें अपने राष्ट्रध्वज, राष्ट्रगान और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण संविधान को सम्मान देना चाहिए। हमें हमेशा अपने देश की संप्रभुता, एकता और अखंडता बनाए रहना चाहिए। हमें किसी भी हालत में कानून नहीं तोड़ना चाहिए और ना ही कानून का मजाक बनाना चाहिए। हमें अपने आसपास के वातावरण को साफ सुथरा रखना चाहिए। अक्सर लोग जगह जगह गंदगी कर देते हैं और यह भूल जाते हैं कि इससे अन्य और विशेषकर पर्यटकों को कितनी परेशानी होती है। अक्सर लोग प्राकृतिक संपदा का गलत इस्तेमाल करते हैं और इससे उनको बहुत हानि होती है। वे ऐतिहासिक इमारतों पर लिख देते हैं जिनके कारण उनकी सुंदरता नष्ट हो जाती है। हमें स्मरण रखना चाहिए कि शताब्दियों का साधना का यह पौधा कभी अक्षय वृक्ष बन सकता है जब हम अपने स्वार्थों के कुत्सित घेरे मिटा दें, अपने लोभ और मोह को छोड़ दें। जब हमारे मन से प्रेम झलकेगा तब इसके संवर्धन और त्याग के लिए अग्निपथ की यात्रा निरंतर जारी रखनी होगी। यूनानो मिस्र सब मिट गए जहां से, अब कुछ मगर बाकी है नामो निशा हमारा। कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदा रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जमा हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
धन्यवाद कैडेट अभिषेक। इन्होंने बहुत ही सरल और सहज भाषा में हमें स्वतंत्रता दिवस के बारे में अवगत कराया और हमारा ज्ञान वर्धन किया। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कैडेट अभिषेक। Now I would like to hand over the mic to Mr. Balraj sir for the next program.
Thank you, Cadet Parth and Cadet Shaurya. Poetry, the feeling of heart and soul. Now, coming towards the results of Inter-House Hindi Pathetic Poetry Recitation Competition that was conducted on 13th August 2020. This competition was organized on online mode. Mr. B.K. Jha was the IC of the competition. This competition was organized in the 3 categories. Category A for classes 10th and 11th. Category B for classes 7th, 8th and 9th. Category C for classes 6, both the holding houses. The theme of the poetry was patriotism. The cadets of the houses participated enthusiastically and explored the reciting skills with perfect expressions. The results of this competition are as follow. Now, coming to the group-wise individual positions. Group A, that was for classes 10th and 11th. Roll number 6202, Cadet Anurag Pandey got the first position from Shivaji House. Cadet Nishant Kumar 5933, second position from SP House. Cadet Neil Patel 6205 got the third position from Pratap House. Give them a huge round of applause. Now, in continuation with the same, Group B, that was for classes 7th, 8th and 9th. Roll number 6053, Cadet Krish Francis got the first position from Shivaji House. Roll number 6038, Cadet Lake Vashist got the second position and he is from SP House. The third position is backed by Cadet Kunch 6183 from Angre House. Now, moving ahead to Group C, that was organized between the holding houses Shastri and Nehru House. Roll number 6344, Cadet Yugvendra. Cadet Yugvendra Kumar got the first position. He is from Shastri House. Roll number 6385, Cadet Yatharth got the second position from Nehru House. And the third position is backed by the cadet from Nehru House. Roll number 6398, Cadet Aditya Tomar. So audience, please give them a huge round of applause for their outstanding performance in Inter-House Hindi Poetry, Patriotic Poetry Recitation Competition. Now, coming to the house positions of the competition. The house positions coming to holding houses. Nehru House got the first position with 36 points. And second position by Shastri House with 27 points. Now, senior houses, house positions for the senior houses. Shivaji House, first position with 170 points. SP House, second position with 93.5 points. And the third position goes to Tagore House with 78.5 points. Fourth position is backed by Pratap House with 64 points. And fifth position by Garuda House with 58.5 points. And the last but not the least, Angre House with 56.5 points, bagged sixth position. Now, the winners from individual categories of this competition are given the chance, and they are going to recite their poetries once again to brim us with the feelings and passion of patriotism. Now, I would like to invite roll number 6202, Cadet Anurag Pandey from Shivaji House. Cadet Anurag Pandey.
स्क्रीन बड़ी नहीं हो रही.
सुप्रभात. आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि ग्रुप कैप्टन रविंद्र सिंह, प्राचार्य सैनिक स्कूल बालाचड़ी, उप प्राचार्य, प्रशासनिक अधिकारी, अतिथिगण, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय मित्रों, आज मैं कैडेट अनुराग पांडे, कक्षा 10वीं का छात्र, शिवाजी सदन से आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूं. मेरी कविता के बोल है, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा. मेरे कविता के कवि हैं श्री प्रसून जोशी जी, और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री ने भी इसमें कुछ अतिरिक्त पंक्तियां जोड़ी हैं, कृपया उन पर भी ध्यान दें. मेरी कविता कुछ इस प्रकार है. सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा. सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा. मेरी धरती मुझसे पूछ रही, मेरी धरती मुझसे पूछ रही, कब मेरा कर्ज चुकाओगे. मेरा अंबर मुझसे पूछ रहा, कब अपना धर्म निभाओगे. मेरा अंबर मुझसे पूछ रहा, कब अपना धर्म निभाओगे. मैंने वचन दिया भारत माँ को, मैंने वचन दिया भारत माँ को, तेरा शीश नहीं झुकने दूंगा, तेरा शीश नहीं झुकने दूंगा. सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा. वो लूट रहे हैं सपनों को, वो लूट रहे हैं सपनों को, मैं चैन से कैसे सो जाऊं. वो लूट रहे हैं सपनों को, मैं चैन से कैसे सो जाऊं. वो बेच रहे हैं भारत को, वो बेच रहे हैं भारत को, खामोश में कैसे हो जाऊं, खामोश में कैसे हो जाऊं. हाँ मैंने कसम उठाई है, हाँ मैंने कसम उठाई है, मैं देश नहीं बिकने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं बिकने दूंगा. सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा. वो जितने अंधेरे लाएंगे, मैं उतने उजाले लाऊंगा. वो जितने अंधेरे लाएंगे, मैं उतने उजाले लाऊंगा. वो जितनी रात बढ़ाएंगे, मैं उतने सूरज उगाऊंगा. वो जितनी रात बढ़ाएंगे, मैं उतने सूरज उगाऊंगा. इस छल फरेब की आंधी में, इस छल फरेब की आंधी में, मैं देश नहीं बुझने दूंगा, मैं दीप नहीं बुझने दूंगा, मैं दीप नहीं बुझने दूंगा. सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा. वो वो चाहते हैं जागे ना कोई बस रात का कारोबार चले। वो चाहते हैं जागे ना कोई बस रात का कारोबार चले। वो नशा बांटते जाएं और देश यूं ही बीमार चले। वो नशा बांटते जाएं और देश यूं ही बीमार चले। पर जाग रहा है देश मेरा, पर जाग रहा है देश मेरा। हर भारतवासी जीतेगा, हर भारतवासी जीतेगा। मैं देश नहीं रुकने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं रुकने दूंगा। सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा। अब घड़ी फैसले की आई, अब घड़ी फैसले की आई, कसम है हमने अब खाई। हमें फिर से दोहराना है, हमें फिर से दोहराना है और खुद को याद दिलाना है। ना भटकेंगे ना अटकेंगे, ना भटकेंगे ना अटकेंगे। कुछ भी हो इस बार हम देश नहीं मिटने देंगे, कुछ भी हो इस बार हम देश नहीं मिटने देंगे। माँ बहनों की किस्मत पर, माँ बहनों की किस्मत पर गिद्ध नजर लगाए बैठे हैं। माँ बहनों की किस्मत पर गिद्ध नजर लगाए बैठे हैं। हर इंसान है वहां डरा डरा, दिल में खौफ जमाए बैठे हैं। हर इंसान है वहां डरा डरा, दिल में खौफ जमाए बैठे हैं। पर मैंने फैसला किया है, पर मैंने फैसला किया है, अब मैं अपनी देश की धरती पर दर्द नहीं उगने दूंगा, दर्द नहीं उगने दूंगा। मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।
Please start. Please start. Krish.
Please start. Please start.
नमस्कार। आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि ग्रुप कैप्टन रविंदर सिंह, प्राचार्य सैनिक स्कूल बालाचड़ी, उपाचार्य, प्रशासनिक अधिकारी, वरिष्ठ अध्यापक, अतिथिगण, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे मित्र, आज मैं कैडेट फ्रांसिस अनुक्रमांक 6053 आप सभी के सामने एक कविता लेकर प्रस्तुत हुआ हूँ। कविता का शीर्षक है हिमाद्री तुंग सिंह से। इस कविता के रचयिता है छायावादी कवि जयशंकर प्रसाद। हिमाद्री तुंग सिंह से प्रबुद्ध शुद्ध भारत, हिमाद्री तुंग सिंह से प्रबुद्ध शुद्ध भारत, स्वयं प्रभा समुज्ज्वला स्वतंत्रता पुकारती, स्वतंत्रता पुकारती। अमर्त्य वीर पुत्र हो दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञ सोच लो, अमर्त्य वीर पुत्र हो दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञ सोच लो। प्रशस्त पुण्य पंथ है बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो। हिमाद्री तुंग सिंह से प्रबुद्ध शुद्ध भारती, स्वयं प्रभा समुज्ज्वला स्वतंत्रता पुकारती, स्वतंत्रता पुकारती। असंख्य कीर्ति रश्मियां विकीर्ण दिव्य दाहसी, असंख्य कीर्ति रश्मियां विकीर्ण दिव्य दाहसी। सपूत मातृभूमि के रुको न शूर साहसी, हिमाद्री तुंग सिंह से प्रबुद्ध शुद्ध भारती, स्वयं प्रभा समुज्ज्वला स्वतंत्रता पुकारती, स्वतंत्रता पुकारती। अरथ सैन्य सिंधु में सुवाड़ अग्नि से जलो, अरथ सैन्य सिंधु में सुवाड़ अग्नि से जलो। प्रवीर हो जय बनो, प्रवीर हो जय बनो, बढ़े चलो, बढ़े चलो। हिमाद्री तुंग सिंह से प्रबुद्ध शुद्ध भारती, हिमाद्री तुंग सिंह से प्रबुद्ध शुद्ध भारती, स्वयं प्रभा समुज्ज्वला स्वतंत्रता पुकारती, स्वतंत्रता पुकारती, स्वतंत्रता पुकारती। जय हिंद। धन्यवाद।
roll number 6344 from Shastri House.
नमस्कार। आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि, प्रधानाचार्य श्री, उपाचार्य श्री, अतिथिगण, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं 6वीं कक्षा का छात्र कैडेट युगेंद्र मुकेश कुमार सांगड़िया शास्त्री सदन का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हुए आपके समक्ष देश प्रेम से ओत-प्रोत कविता लेकर प्रस्तुत हुआ हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है जाग रहे हम वीर जवान और उसका रचयिता है रामधारी सिंह दिनकर। जाग रहे हम वीर जवान, जियो जियो ए हिंदुस्तान, जियो जियो ए हिंदुस्तान। हम प्रभात की नई किरण है, हम दीन के आलोक नवल, हम नवीन भारत के सैनिक धीर वीर गंभीर अचल। हम प्रहरी ऊंचे हिमाद्री के सुरभि स्वर्ग की लेते हैं, हम है शांति दूत धरणी के छांव सभी को देते हैं। वीर कुसुमा की आंखों के हम नवीन उजियाले हैं, गंगा यमुना हिंद महासागर के हम रखवाले हैं। तन मन धन तुम पर कुर्बान, जियो जियो ए हिंदुस्तान, जियो जियो ए हिंदुस्तान। हम सपूत उनके जो नर थे अनल और मधु मिश्रण, जिसमें नर का तेज अखर था, भीतर था नारी का मन। एक नयन संजीवन जिनका, एक नयन था हालाहल, जितना कठिन खड़ग था कर में उतना ही अंतर कोमल। थर तीनों लोक कांपते थे जिनकी ललकारों पर, स्वर्ग नाचता था रण में जिनकी पवित्र तलवारों पर। हम उन वीरों की संतान, जियो जियो ए हिंदुस्तान, जियो जियो ए हिंदुस्तान। हम शकारी विक्रमादित्य है, अरिदल को दलने वाले, रण में जमी नहीं दुश्मन की लाशों पर चलने वाले। हम अर्जुन, हम भीम, शांति के लिए इस जगत में जीते हैं, मगर कोई शत्रु मरे अगर तो लहू वक्ष का पीते हैं। हम है शिवा प्रताप, रोटियां भले ही घास की खाएंगे, मगर किसी जुल्मी के सामने मस्तक नहीं झुकाएंगे। देंगे जान नहीं ईमान, जियो जियो ए हिंदुस्तान, जियो जियो ए हिंदुस्तान। जियो जियो ए देश की पहरे पर ही जगे हुए हैं हम, हिंद पर्वत हर तरफ चौकसी में ही लगे हुए हैं हम। हिंद सिंधु की कसम, कौन इस पर जहाज ला सकता है, सरहद के भीतर कोई दुश्मन कैसे आ सकता है। पर कि हम कुछ नहीं चाहते, अपनी किंतु बचाएंगे, जिसकी उंगली उठी उसे हम नंबर को पहुंचाएंगे। हम प्रहरी यमराज समान, जियो जियो ए हिंदुस्तान, जियो जियो ए हिंदुस्तान। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Cadet Yugvendra. You have beautifully delivered your poetry with the perfect and childish expressions. It will definitely inspire us. Thank you once again. So now, moving ahead, I hand over the mic to Cadet Parth and Cadet Shaurya for further proceedings. Cadet Parth and Cadet Shaurya, please continue.
देशभक्ति हमारा नारा है, देशभक्ति हमारी शान है। देशभक्ति हमारा नारा है, देशभक्ति हमारी शान है। वतन हमारा हमसे है और वतन हमारी जान है। देशभक्ति से ओत-प्रोत करने के लिए आ रहे हैं हमारे कलम के सिपाही और हमारे परम पूज्य गुरुजन, जो एक सामूहिक देशभक्ति गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसके बोल है, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। So please welcome Mr. Dhamik Jani sir and his team.
वतन मेरे वतन वतन आबाद रहे तू आबाद रहे तू आबाद रहे तू वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मेरा दिल रहे तू वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी बुनियाद रहे तू वतन वतन मेरा आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ याद रहे तू वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन तुझसे कोई गम की आचार नहीं दो तुझसे कोई गम की आचार नहीं दो कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे साध रहे तू कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे साध रहे तू वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मेरा दिल रहे तू मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन आबाद रहे आबाद रहे तू मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू
That was a mesmerizing performance by the Sainik School Balachari staff members who have really made the environment full of patriotism, which exhibits their involvement in all activities of the school. I request all of you to please give them a huge round of applause. Now, for the further proceedings, I would like to hand over the mic to Mr. Balraj, sir.
Yes, thank you, Cadet Parth and Shaurya once again. Appreciation is the motivation. Now it's time to felicitate our staff members. This is the time to felicitate the general employees, first of all, who have been fulfilling their duties with the faith and hard work. Their devotion to their assigned task has won them applause. Now I request the chief guest of the day, Group Captain Ravinder Singh, Principal, Sainik School, Balachari, to kindly honor by felicitating them with the cash prizes for their commendable jobs and contributions for the development of the school. Now, I invite them one by one. Mr. Asim Usman, Mr. Asim Usman, and Mr. Prithvi Waghela. Next, Mr. Umar Daud Chavda, Mr. Prithvi Waghela, Mr. Umar Daud Chavda, and Mr. Gani Noor Mohammed. Mr. Prithvi Waghela. Mr. Gani Noor Mohammed. Now, moving ahead in the series of commendations, now it's time to felicitate administrative and academic staff for their faithfulness, hard work, honesty, and devotion towards the development of the school. Every year, commendation by GOC 11th Infantry Div and LBA Chairman Major General Dinesh Srivastav is given to the team Balachari for their outstanding contribution in making the cadets self-reliant. It is given on 5th September of every year on the occasion of Teachers' Day. But this time, Teachers' Day falls in autumn break, so we are felicitating them today. So now, I request from Adam staff, Mr. Devendra Pujara, the accountant of the school, who has been serving and inspiring us with his selfless love for the institution. He has been responsible for maintaining accounts and budgets of the school without any error, and has also ensured timely implementation of online portal and mobile app for fee remittance. So please welcome him by huge round of applause once again. Next in the row is our nursing assistant, Mr. D.V. Sharma. He has been responsible in handling COVID-19 situation in school campus. He has also played a very crucial role in conducting medical camp during entrance examination. So once again, put your hands together and welcome him with a huge round of applause. And now the turn goes to academic department, Kalam K. Sipahi, Mr. Dharmik Jani, who has been inspiring the staff as well as the cadets by his politeness and dedication with 100% board results every time. He has been grooming the personality of the cadets for the last 10 years and has also been conducting many cultural activities and events, and also has been contributing in conducting error-free All India Sainik School entrance examination every year. So definitely they all deserve a huge round of applause once again. Now, next in the row is, he's the one who has been serving and inspiring the cadets and staff also with his docile and decent attitude, and has been contributing towards exceptional UPSC results every year. He has also updates the latest happenings and that take place in school premises. He has been responsible for the digitalization and modernization of school knowledge station library. He is none other than Mr. Vinod Harimkar, a librarian. So please give him the huge round of applause once again. And now, last but not the least, GOC commendation is one of the, now it's time to GOC commendation to one of our general employees for his sincerity, round the clock services for the school and its development. Please welcome Mr. Sunil Tamta, the general employee of the school. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir. And now it's time for gracing the occasion by the address, with the address by the chief guest on the 74th Indian Independence Day. So I would like to invite Group Captain Ravinder Singh, Principal, Sainik School, Balachadi, the chief guest of the day, to address us on this occasion. Sir, please.
Lieutenant Commander Manu Arora, Vice Principal, Squadron Leader Mahesh Kumar, Adam Officer, Academic Staff, Adam Staff of the Sainik School Balachadi, parents, and my dear leaders who are witnessing this ceremony online. Wishing you all a very happy, prosperous, and glorious 74th Independence Day. It is the day that reminds us of the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters. A day when we remember the glory of our nation as we recall the struggles, revolts, and the efforts of freedom fighters who fought for our independence. At the same time, we should also not forget Indian soldiers who fought and laid their lives in Second World War, along with allies against the dictators, Nazis in Europe, Japanese in Burma, and Mussolini in Africa, which paved the way for our country's independence. They halted Japanese from taking over the country from British. And if I'm right, approximately 87,000 Indian soldiers laid their lives in Second World War. They are the unsung heroes of our freedom struggle. Well, being independent gives us many benefits like freedom of speech and freedom of fundamental rights. So it is our duty to understand the importance of Indian Constitution, respect it and follow it religiously. Constitution of any country is the fountainhead from where the democracy thrives. It defines the character of the nation. Founding fathers of our constitution have made enormous effort to draft this constitution, which should be considered as the most sacred book of our country. Present government's effort in this direction are commendable, as Constitution Day Awareness Program was launched last year in November 2019, which continues through this year, and a lot of activities are being organized to spread awareness among the children of our country who are the future flag bearers. Independence Day gives us opportunity to rededicate ourselves to the development of our nation. The ongoing global pandemic, COVID-19, has become a global health emergency. But I must commend the coronavirus warriors who are at the front line to prevent the potential spread of the health threat. We have been able to fight back and take preventive measures to keep the pandemic at check. Well, independence is all about justice, freedom, equality, peace, and serenity of mind, which is attained by learning and being aware. And the independence, thankfully, which we have today, gives us ample opportunity to learn and grow. We shall be failing in our responsibilities as citizens of the independent nation if we do not dedicate ourselves to the service of our nation. And yes, at Sainik School Balachadi, hardworking, disciplined, loyal, sincere, and truthful India citizens are being nurtured who will serve the motherland with honor, dignity, and sense of pride. I've seen our cadets taking the lead and giving back their best to the nation by joining defense services and other prestigious services. This reminds me of the quote by the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. I quote, "Be the change that you want to see in the world. Unless we change first, it is pointless to seek change in others." And 21st century India is changing the way the world looked at her. Indian economy has always been open to innovations and startup cultures. Initiative by the government such as new education policy, Atmanirbhar Bharat, arrival of the new Rafale jets, being vocal for local, and many other are aimed towards creating opportunity for the youth. It is now the responsibility of today's youth to realize the spirit of the magical night of 1947 and move on the path shown by our freedom fighters. Today, we need to broaden our vision about our life. So, understanding our culture, tradition, fundamental rights, duties, and value system will arouse a sense of responsibility with ease and calmness. If we are determined, then we can reach our goals and no path is difficult. Our combined resolve is so strong that India can become self-reliant in very near future. About today's Independence Day program, I would like to appreciate both the speakers who spoke in Hindi and English for delivering a very informative and enthusiastic speech. I would also like to congratulate the winners of Inter-House Hindi Poem Recitation Competition for their mesmerizing performance. And last but not the least, the patriotic song sung by Sainik School Balachadi staff members has really made the environment full of patriotism, which also exhibits the involvement in all the activities of the schools. Let us feel proud of being an Indian. Let us dream big and create a brighter future for ourselves and the nation by our sense of dedication and commitment towards work. Let us all contribute towards nation building and develop a road of prosperity for every Indian to live and thrive. I will also be failing if I do not congratulate all the awardees among academic, ADAM staff, and general employees who had exhibited their dedication in their respective fields. With these words, I would once again wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again, sir, for inspiring with your valuable words. Your words will always keep us inspiring and motivating in all the walks of life. And now, approaching towards the end, but before that, I would like to invite School Cadet Captain Amit Roshan to propose vote of thanks on today's occasion. Cadet Amit Roshan.
A grateful heart will give you a touch of refinement that can come in no other way. A very fine morning to all. Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Group Captain Ravinder Singh, Principal Sainik School Balachadi, Lieutenant Commander Manu Arora, Vice Principal, Squadron Leader Mahesh Kumar, Adam Officer, our most beloved teachers, Adam staff, NCC staff, parents, cadets, and everyone who is a part of the 74th Independence Day celebration in our school. I take this privilege to propose the vote of thanks as the School Cadet Captain of Sainik School Balachadi on the auspicious occasion of Independence Day of our beloved country, India. Firstly, I would like to thank the Chief Guest of the Day, Group Captain Ravinder Singh, inspiring us by his benign presence and motivating words. The performances here clearly depicted that we all are one. As a responsible citizen of India, we should not only demand for our rights, but also take responsibility on our shoulders and make this country proud. I would like to further extend my thanks to officers, teachers, cadets, and participants for making this event so beautiful and mesmerizing. As you all know, this being the Unlock 3 period, we all are away from school and still manage to perform our duties by taking active part in the Independence Day celebration celebrated in our school. The efforts of teachers, staff, and students have resulted in great performances. The online broadcasting of the celebration was a treat to ears, I would say. कोई भी देश perfect नहीं होता, उसे perfect बनाना पड़ता है. Yes, I am proud to be an Indian. I take pride in my Indian identity. But are we the best country? Are we the best people on the planet? I am afraid to say no. But we have all potential power to be one. On this occasion, I would like to request all the members present here to contribute wisely to the safety of India. We all are the future of this country and work hard to make this country proud. Let's make a round of applause for everyone. Thank you once again. Bande Matram.
Thank you very much, School Cadet Captain Amit Roshan. Now it's time for school song, Balachadi song, before the end of the program. So I request you all to please rise for Balachadi song. Thank you, everyone. May the goddess of knowledge and wisdom, Ma Saraswati, always throw the light and show the path of success in all our future endeavors. So now I request everyone to please stay here only for high tea party, and I express my sincere thanks to Squatter Leader Mahesh Kumar, Adam Officer of the school, Quartermaster Mr. Jagdish Pinjalia, for their arrangements in today's celebration. And I also thank Mr. Maitrik Jani and his team for their technical support all the time. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. And I wish you all a very happy 74th Indian Independence Day once again. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. All the cadets, thank you for joining. You can leave the meeting now. Jai Hind.
Sir, will there be classes regularly after this webinar?
No, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.